Hi and welcome to my basement. So probably you like to be healthy, good looking, fit, and you like to eat some sweets, isn't it? Was probably something you cannot join together, but I'll find a solution for you. What about the healthy sweets? So same like we done the last time, banana candies. Yeah, what looks amazing. Just for demonstration, just for try. We can make a lot of different kind of banana sweets. Yeah. So let's say you can mix it with the peanuts. This is raw peanuts. Actually, I put it in the water for night time after dry it on the sun for make it a little bit softer. If you're not a raw foodist and you eat it fried, it will be completely different taste. Yeah. It depends how sweet you want it. You can mix 50-50 if you want to be more sweet. I like it a little bit sweet, so I do it 50-50. Yeah. But if you want to do more sweet, so probably you do 30% of peanuts or other kind of seeds or nuts, whatever we have plenty of it, and 30% of banana. This is dry banana. It's like half dry, or you can use any other berries, whatever. Okay. We do just a little bit for the demonstration. You need a really powerful blender to be able to do so. Manually, well, I don't think so you can do it. You can try, but well, this will be really good workout, I guess. So mixing seeds and different sweets, let's say with a raisin, dried dates, whatever, black palms, any other dried fruits, really good idea for the best sweets ever, because it makes you not hungry for quite a long time. This means you escape big jumps of insulin, and it's not a processed sugar what you cannot add if you take care of your health, and all of the vitamins and everything stay there. And also with the nuts you have a lot of nutrition, so basically it's quite enough calories, so you can eat a little bit of sweets and you will be fine, and you will be not hungry like after some normal candies or biscuits or whatever. That's done. So that's why I like to cook like really fast and healthy food, so if your guest came you can do something in 10 minutes and it's really good for your health. Only problem we have to find on this planet, or maybe order from another planet, organic stuff. This is problem. You can use it on a blender. It's a real powerful blender, so I use it like 1 or 2 minutes, depending how much you put in there. If you make it longer, it's so everything put in a pasta, so you need make something between the powder and between it came like a peanut butter. Yeah, so it will be sticky enough you can make a candy from it. But if you see it's really dry, you can put it for some more. So I think the 1 minute was quite enough, something like in between. And now you can make any shape you want. You can make a sphere, hexagons, triangles, pyramids, whatever. So the candies can be any shape you like. Let's say if your dried fruits is too dry, and nuts too, you didn't put it in the water or so, you can add a little bit of honey for make it more sticky, let's say, but usually it's fine. Let's try it. Okay, so when I put it together, kind of cube, this works well. So same, we can use a nut powder, peanut powder, any other powder, so it's make not sticky, not stick to a plate. Put it inside and so on. Same like last time. You can put anything you want, like white sesame seeds, or we can use the black sesame seeds. Well, if you do it with your kids, for sure they will love to make the candies. So it's everything raw up here. Taste will be different if you fry the seeds or nuts. and I think one of my favorite is the coconut powder. Basically you can make a different kind of coconut powder. You can add a little bit of lime or lemon or honey and put it on over the night, absorb everything, so it will give really different aftertaste after it. So as you see, it's really easy, really quick. I can do it on the ice like in 5 minutes, let's say. Okay, and of course we need to make a degustation. So in my case, when I put it 50-50, it works quite well. I like it, but if you want a more sweet, yeah, make it 30% to 70, I guess, like 30% of nuts. But for me, it's like really amazing. So each time you can use different kind of nuts, you can use different kind of seeds, and you have different kind of healthy candies. Stay tuned, really soon will be much more.